Hi, and welcome to La Luna. I'm Crypto Chrissie, and today I'm going to share with you how self-care and cryptocurrency are related, or how they can help each other. In regards to self-care, it's really important when you're getting more and more involved in cryptocurrency that you practice self-care and to develop resiliency, because that's going to really help you when things get kind of tough in the market, or if you make a mistake and you feel really bad about yourself. It's going to be really important to learn how to take care of yourself and to reframe it into learning from that mistake so you don't have to repeat it again, and so you don't give up altogether. Practicing self-care is a really important thing, not only in cryptocurrency, but just in your life. I don't know if you know, but I'm actually a licensed marriage family therapist, and I'm a life coach also. So I'm really informed about what makes people have fulfillment in their life, what really can get in the way of that. And I really believe when you connect to your core self and really get anchored to that and use that like as a compass, it will lead you to where you really ultimately want to be and where you want to go. And in regards to cryptocurrency, it will also help you be able to make the right choices around what you want to invest in and get you connected to your intuition. And it will just be providing a service to you to develop resiliency. And resiliency is the ability to overcome adverse things that happen in a pretty quick way, and being able to just move on to the next thing and not have it completely drag you down or beat yourself up. It's really important to also develop good habits from the beginning in cryptocurrency, because a lot of times people really get the crypto bug and they really realize, wow, this is like unbelievable, the potential for gains. And if you really invest the time and the research, you can really make a lot of money in this realm. And people can really get lost in that. In fact, people have had to go to treatment centers. There are treatment centers to help people that have completely wrecked their lives because they haven't done cryptocurrency in a safe way, by maybe over investing or even completely losing all their money and not following some guidelines. And so it's so important to take care of yourself if you're going to get involved in cryptocurrency. And so you can really enjoy being involved in cryptocurrency. And there is a way to do that, so you can take advantage of, this opportunity. So I'm going to show you some of the things that you might want to keep in mind in regards to self-care and cryptocurrency. Life balance. In the crypto world, people can be very obsessed with looking at what's going on in the market and just really having a hard time pulling themselves away. And it can be really taxing and stressful, and it's not healthy if people are doing that to a degree that it's interfering with the rest of their life and they're not paying attention to the other aspects of their life. When you're connected to really what you know is right for you, and you're really listening from that deep place within, from your core self, and you're really honoring that and respecting that place, it can really help you in regards to doing well in crypto and helping you access your intuition. And just, it's a healthier way to have a good mindset. Another aspect is health. And it's really important to make sure you're eating healthy and getting sleep and exercising and having a routine, because that's going to really help you have a sharper mindset. And it's going to help you be able to also relax and be able to release your stress and help you be able to get more of that life balance that's going to allow you to have more endurance during the more challenging times in crypto or when it's more time consuming. These are some of the ways that you're going to be able to enjoy cryptocurrency if you develop some really positive habits and really stick to them, because that's going to allow you to also be able to make your best decisions, access your intuition, and just be able to enjoy the whole process rather than hopefully being overindulgent and really taking risks that you're going to regret later on, but really developing the skills that you need to be able to play and participate and take the advantage of this opportunity that's here if you're interested in getting involved. So this means keeping your life going, all the aspects like this. Hi everybody. Here we are, Mishi and I are here at the Russian River, and we're just chilling out as we are waiting for the consolidation to happen in the cryptoverse. And I'm just curious what everyone else is doing this weekend. I'd love to hear. Please let me know in the comments. This means enjoying all the things you love to do and all the people you love to be with, and surrounding yourself in those situations as much as you can. That's going to just help you enjoy your life and to help you develop more positivity when you're doing your cryptocurrency. So now you know some of the positive habits that be amazing to develop if you decide to get involved in cryptocurrency. A lot of times at the beginning, when people really get bit by the bug and realize just the huge potential for gains, people really get sucked into the crypto verse and want to figure out what their plan is and their strategy. And that's really normal, but it can be really unhealthy. They've even developed treatment centers for those that have invested all of their money and those who have no self-control. And so it's just super crucial for you to develop positive habits from the get-go and have a plan and have a strategy and, feel confident in what you're doing and learn even the basics, just so that you can feel comfortable in whatever level you choose to participate. And so you can relax and enjoy your life in the meantime. And also, it's taken me a while to get here, but I just am really cognizant, being a therapist, how important that is. And knowing that this is ultimately where my fulfillment comes from. And you need to have life balance and good habits. And I have to say, cryptocurrency has really inspired me to up my game in regards to my positive habits. And it's really motivated me to kind of start losing weight and start living my life to a higher standard and getting ready for the lifestyle change that I'm anticipating. And I just wanted to share this information with you. I hope you found it helpful, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and remember, be true to yourself.